Most people are stuck in a loop. They're working harder just to keep up with expenses, trading their best hours of the day for a paycheck that's already spent before it hits their bank. But the warrior steward doesn't just work for money. They make their money work for them. This Friday, we're breaking down the missing link, the debt freedom flywheel, the wealth growth strategy. We're talking about how to aggressively increase your cash flow right now, not just to have more, but to fuel the creation of assets that actually produce. The goal isn't a bigger bank account, it's financial sovereignty. We're going to show you how to stack assets until they hit the tipping point. The moment where your passive income replaces your current paycheck and you finally own your time again. Stop playing defense with your finances and start building your legacy. Join me Friday as we map out the path from the daily grind to the total income replacement. See you there.